just do foam it out again. I would just have to go pick up another bottle of the spray foam and then use bigger cups. But I feel even like that the 3-ounce cups, these are the 3 ounces, these are the 2 ounces. Big difference, right? It's much easier to put them in 3 ounces. But I feel like it's still maybe a little too big. What do you think I should do? Let me know. Do you think I should try to scrape this off, or should we try to do a new backing? I'm really upset at the fact that I used small cups for this backing because it looks so nice, so pretty, but these cups are way too small. They need to be 3 ounces or bigger, and I decided to go with 2-ounce cups, and now I have to get rid of this. But now look at the backing of this. How am I supposed to remove that? Any bright ideas? Because I don't have any. I tried to even like do it with my nail. That's hard. It's not budging. I would probably have to go in with the blade like I thought, but that seems like a lot of work.